All right, so today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a Reposado Old Fashioned, and we're gonna use 1800 Reposado. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so this Reposado Old Fashioned is very, very easy to make. So, but what we're gonna be able to use today is 1800 Reposado, Angostura bitters, and simple syrup. So first we're gonna take our 1800 Reposado and pour about 2 ounces into our glass. Now we're gonna add a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Two dashes of Angostura bitters. And finally, just give it a quick stir. Then lastly, we're gonna garnish it here with a little lime wedge. So then give it a try. Cheers.
How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Tell them